taste worse.
Right behind us, I'm sorry.
That is really terrible.
Smell like the burning.
Well, I think they have like the chatty. Or this? I know, but still, it would hurt. Yeah.
I guess you get hit with the tail all the time.
In the summertime, yes. He's so good about it.
Okay, Mom. Say it again. What? Are you going to do her back feet today, or are you just doing the front too?
That's gonna depend on time because I am riding her in the demo, so I get to put my other face on and go be a rider.
How many days a week do you work shoeing horses?
4 to 5, depending. I try to leave room open in my schedule for my own riding lessons.
Yeah.
And I have to trailer out to do that, as well as I compete all summer. So,
Do you compete with your other horse too?
not anymore. He's retired. He's 17.
Oh, okay. You still ride him sometimes though?
Oh yeah. And he gives lessons and loves life.
What's his name?
Gator.
Oh yeah, I saw him in the bar.
Yep, he's a grandson of Secretariat.
Oh really? That's
really?
awesome. He likes being a lesson horse then?
Oh yeah, retirement's the greatest thing that ever happened to that horse.
It's like having a job.
You never heard of Secretariat?
What did Kentucky Derby 76, 79?
So he's
Kentucky Derby?
part of Secretariat blood? Is that what she said?
Yeah, that's, Peter's grandson.
Wow.
400. He probably had 4,000. His stock was probably very well paid for.
Oh, well, probably more.
Yeah, he won the Triple Crown.
Okay.
I told you.
Who won the Kentucky Derby?
Secretariat.
Look at your face.
And what kind of lessons does the other horse do? Does he do eventing and dressage?
Yeah, he does beginner lessons, walk, trot, canter, low jumping.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
I've only been 47 horses.
Do you think there's a place we can wash our hands?
No, we're just going to go and watch the movie.